In today's video, I'll teach you how to view activity history in Windows 11. So if you want to view the activity history, it is actually very simple. For that, what you have to do is click on the search icon that you can see at the taskbar. After you do that, what you have to do is search for event viewer. You'll be able to see the result over here. Click on the open option. Now after you do that, the event viewer will be opened. If you look right over here, you'll be able to find various options. Expand this option for Windows logs. Now you'll be able to find several options over here. At fourth, you'll be able to find this option for system. What you have to do is click on it. Now wait for a while. Now after you do that, you'll be able to see all the activity histories over here. You can also see the number of events. So like this, you'll be able to access the activity history. So that is how you access activity history on Windows 11. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.